guys for this video. Kung itong video na to, kung paano mag-order ng gamit. Hindi binabayaran. Hindi naman talaga binabayaran.
Tsaka may sasabihin ako sa inyo, guys. May pala dito kayo, guys.
Gandutin nyo lang po to. Uy! Ito po ang store.
Stay.
Yan. Tapos, pindutin nyo na. Tapos, yung meron pong ganyan, yung color po na ganyan, ibig sabihin naka-order na po kayo. Next naman, kapag tapos na natin ito, i-explain, magbibideo ako kung paano ito i-download. Ayan. Pipili lang po kayo. Ito napili ko, pipindutin niyo po yan. Pindutin niyo. Tapos, ayan po, marami po yan. Kuha niyo yan lahat. Titingin po itong get.
OTP yung pangit.
Kapag gusto nyong babayaran ito, pag gusto nyong walang bayad, ads lang ito. Ayan, naghihintay lang kayo dyan. Hintay lang po tayo ng ayun na po guys. Yun lang po. Tapos, pindutin nyo po ito. Kung gusto nyo na po, i-try.
Ako naman.
Ba't kaliit niya? Ulo lang siya.
Siyempre,
Ayan.
tiny.
Ito po lahat ng nabili ko. Sobrang dami. Hindi po kayong gumawa ng tao.
Ako naman natin.
Ano? Ba't ikaw? Ayan. Paano na ba download? Hindi talaga kita mapairam.
Ganun pa siya.
Ito na. Dito download. Dito nyo download sa Play Store. I-search nyo
I'm gonna eat this real quick and see what happens. Oh my gosh, I think we have a bunch of hearts. No. Okay, wait, I think we have an opportunity. We have a bunch of dots now, but each dot gives me some help. Okay, what we do, go inside, we gotta be quick, but I'm gonna real quick take as much as I can. Okay, now we go in, put the sign, water source, there we go, then we get the water, and we place the water. Okay, let's lock it off, and this should work. I don't have any more absorption though. Oh, it goes for it, guys. We gotta light up all this area light. And now without further ado, let's see if this works. Oh, I think it does. Yes, they're gonna be pushed in, and now we wait. 12 seconds later. Oh, how do we hit them? Did we get our first skeleton? Yes, they're right there. Yo, and they can't hit me. Guys, we've done it. We have made a full-on skeleton farm.
Download ko na yan, kaya tapos na. Bye-bye. See you sa next vlog. Mag-comment na lang kayo kung ano. Bye-bye.